Kimi K3 and GPT-5 are two of the biggest AI models available right now, but which one is actually better? In the next 3 minutes, I will compare their performance, features, pricing, and help you decide which one is right for you. Introduction. Both Kimi K3 and GPT-5 are advanced AI models capable of writing, coding, reasoning, and analyzing information. However, they are designed with different priorities, making each one better for different types of users. Performance and reasoning. GPT-5 delivers consistently strong performance across a wide range of tasks. It's especially reliable for complex reasoning, coding, long conversations, document analysis, and creative writing. Kimi K3 is also highly capable, particularly in coding, math, and technical tasks. It performs impressively for many everyday workflows, though GPT-5 generally provides more consistent results on difficult or nuanced prompts. Winner GPT-5 for overall reliability and advanced reasoning. Features and ecosystem. GPT-5 is available through ChatGPT and includes features like image understanding, file analysis, voice conversations, web browsing, and custom GPTs, depending on your plan. Kimi K3 focuses on fast AI assistance with a strong multilingual support, long context processing, and efficient coding capabilities. It's an excellent option for users who mainly need text based AI and software development help. Winner GPT-5 for its broader feature set and integrated tools. Pricing and best value. Kimi K3 is known for offering excellent value, with generous free access and lower API costs, making it attractive for developers and budget conscious users. GPT-5 is available through ChatGPT's paid plans and API. While it usually costs more, it offers a more complete AI experience with additional tools and consistently high quality outputs. Winner Kimi K3 for affordability. Speed and response time. When it comes to speed, both models generate responses quickly, but they excel in different situations. Kimi K3 is optimized for fast text generation and coding workflows, making it feel very responsive for everyday prompts. GPT-5 is also fast, especially for general conversations and complex tasks, while maintaining higher consistency and accuracy when handling difficult requests. Winner Kimi K3 for raw speed, GPT-5 for speed combined with reliability. Final verdict. Choose GPT-5 if you want the most reliable all-around AI for writing, coding, research, creativity, and productivity. Choose Kimi K3 if your priorities are lower costs, strong coding performance, and excellent value for everyday AI tasks. Overall, GPT-5 remains the better all-around model, while Kimi K3 is one of the strongest budget-friendly alternatives available today. If this comparison helped you decide, do not forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI reviews, comparisons, and tutorials. Thanks for watching and goodbye.